Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've noticed water collecting around your Electrolux or Zanussi dryer, you're probably wondering why a dryer is leaking in the first place. Water leakage can happen because of restricted airflow, a full water container, blocked drainage components, or condensation related issues inside the Electrolux Zanussi dryer. Although finding water around the appliance can be concerning, the problem is often caused by something that can be identified with a few simple checks. Before assuming that a major repair is needed, it's worth going through some basic troubleshooting. In this video, I'll show you several steps that may help stop your Electrolux Zanussi dryer from leaking water. Try these. Step 1. Empty the water container on the Electrolux Zanussi dryer if it is full. Step 2. Clean the lint filter inside the Electrolux Zanussi dryer to improve airflow. Step 3. Inspect the drainage path used by the Electrolux Zanussi dryer for obstructions. Step 4. Make sure the Electrolux Zanussi dryer has adequate ventilation around it. Step 5. Restart the Electrolux Zanussi dryer and begin a short drying cycle. Step 6. Monitor the area around the Electrolux Zanussi dryer and confirm that water leakage has stopped.